You see from flower, from leaf, from the eggs, so keep follow the video. This we use some real leaf from tree. Thin layer, then after we will see. Maybe you will need second layer to make the flower. I just put some. So this flower is composite with a big one, but of course you need to do with chocolate covering. We cover all the surface. More thin the petal will be, better the petals are crystallized. You have to carefully manage to take it without break it. Here I will put some chocolate, and then I will start. Use a clean film. You can use a metal ring. We just leave this to crystallize. So you have two options, or you can use as it is, so you have the edge of the petal. So you just cut. Now what we will do, we will make some little chocolate leaf. You need to find a knife, which you have equal. You pour into the chocolate, take off, press, and you go back like this. Or you can do flip leaf if you want to make like a so that you can use some silicone shape in film, make it straight to make sure. You're just gonna wait till it crystallize a little bit, and then I will create film with the chocolate inside, and I have the shape. You can just simply take it off the leaf, beautiful real chocolate leaf. Okay, so if you remember to get this, or the gun, to get just the drop, so for this we use, you can previously put a bit in the fridge, the way just always the same way. So now I'm gonna stick the two eggs together. For this, I'm gonna put on a hot metal tray, and I'm just gonna move a little bit like this, up. So use a clean film, something, not to put too much your fingerprint on the eggs. Okay. And now I will just stick together. This flour really stick to the eggs. I'm gonna make some little have some curve, because later on we will effect. So you see the middle is empty. I can take it off.